Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. So in today's video, this is on the Tapeta highway where the road have been blocked by water due to the heavy downpour of rain, guys. And this truck that you are looking at here, just keep watching, going to see what's going to happen, guys. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. It is free to subscribe. Leave a comment, tell me what you think about this video. And if you are also watching this video from another part of Monrovia or Liberia, tell me if you guys are also experiencing such problem when it comes to this heavy downpour of rain within Liberia, guys. So, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support the girl. So you see, the people have to use other means to cross this river, because there's a real river here now, guys, and they are trying to make their way because they have to move from one place to another. So keep watching till the end. Hope you enjoy this video. And it's such a sad thing, but trust me, eventually they will soon fix this road, guys. They already started fixing the road, but they haven't reached this far. So hopefully by next year, hope things get better on this road, guys.